Hey guys, so welcome back to DelftStack, and today I'll be showing you how to use VPN on Brave browser. So guys, if you don't know, the Brave has their own built-in VPN, so you can access this by first going to a Brave browser into your computer, and here on the Brave, you can just simply select your profile, and now over here guys, you can just simply go ahead and go to the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have the Brave icon over here as well, the shield icon, or you can access that as well by going to the Brave VPN over here. Now, as you can see, Brave VPN is powered by Guardian, and from here you can hide your IP and change your location. And pretty much these are all of the features that it has, and you can just simply select start 7-day free trial. And now over here, as you can see, you will have two options. You could either go for annual payment or monthly payment. So for example, I would like to go for monthly payment and just simply provide your email over here. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and select start free trial. And from here, as you can see, an email will be sent to you. So you can just simply go to your Gmail. And from here, guys, the email will look something like this. And you can just simply select confirm your email. And now it will redirect you to another tab. And it will let you go ahead and provide your payment details. So you can go for card or bank. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and you can utilize the search bar over here. And from here, pretty much guys, you can just simply fill up all of the necessary information and fill up your payment method to proceed with this process, and you should be able to utilize and use the VPN Brave, and you can just simply select start trial to proceed with this process.